Alright team, we're about to start this absolutely sick weekend off. Well, the wave, it's running, absolutely amping, and then we're up to Auckland. Some way to kick it off. So let's get it. Time to pack and get to Auckland for what's or not. It's gonna be skids. The boys are on, let's get it.
Laying on the floor in the doorway, looking at these pictures, nothing left to say. We were meant to grow old, now these feelings take hold. Are we ever gonna be okay again?
Alrighty, it's night 2 here. What's So Not is playing, and the boys are on. The Great White Sharks. I feel Great White Shark. We're all Great White Sharks. Let's get it.
If they don't know just who to blame.